Hey guys, welcome to another video here with SirMalo Performance. My name's Yvonne. Today we are working on project SirMalo. It's my 2004 Silverado. We're doing an LY6 swap. Currently, what I'm going to try to do today in this video is put in this manifold. As you can see, the engine is in. I have already installed the oil pressure sending unit towards the very back. Alonzo, my son, who's doing the recording, is giving you a glimpse of that. So it's going to be this one back here, and then go ahead and show them. This is your cam position sensor back here, okay? That's going to be required for the whole Langen filter reluctor kit, so we can get signal out of that. This is the original 5.3 harness. So we're going to, go from 3rd gen to 4th gen for the engine, but it's all reversed, so it's gonna be 4th to 3rd because we're trying to make this 4th gen engine work on a 3rd generation computer software. All right, so dropping in the manifold here, just make sure you line up all your bolts. Make sure these are all pulled up. That way it can just drop in nice and easy.
It's those little bolts right there?
Yes, these little bolts. Just make sure they're up and away. You can definitely double check your intake gasket. Make sure that's nice and settled in. Alonzo's showing you this passenger side right now. But give it a couple of wiggles here and there, just to make sure that it's nice and settled in. I'm going to grab an 8mm. I'm not going to start ratcheting on it really fast. First, you kind of want to just chase them in there by hand. You don't want to force it. You're forcing it, chances are you're going to strip it. So I'm going to start from the middle. Sorry, Alonzo. I'm going to start from the middle, work my way out. Like I said, give it a couple wiggles again. I'm going to go back on this side. Give it a little wiggle. This Langen filter kit, we'll go over that in another video like I've mentioned before. Go this side.
Oh, I can't show you guys the other side.
Well, I can't see a thing either, Billy.
My name is Billy.
I know.
It's
Chubbs. Alright, well, I'm just making sure that the 2 inside bolts on the manifold are tightened down by hand for now. Just to, like I said, get those threads going. That way you're not cross-threading or stripping anything, because I'm not paying you guys to get that fixed. Like I said, always hire a professional if you don't know what you're doing, but I believe you guys can do this. I'm more than confident in you guys. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's a good concept for any mechanic, any average Joe. Now I'm going to tighten these other ones over here in the back. I can't see it. There it is, all the way in the very, very back.
Oh, shit.
Yes, yeah.
Let's see, tiny.
Awesome. I'm glad you guys can see it. I cannot. Alright. I'll do that one.
I was going to zoom in, but
sorry.
I would have zoomed into your shirt.
Alright. Well, that's all I'm doing, guys. I'm just tightening this thing down. Give me 1 second, and then I'll be right back with the video. Alright, just to show you guys this passenger side. You got some bolts way back here. But like I said, I'm working my way from the middle all the way to the back. So, I forgot to do that one by hand. It'd be nice to do it with a gun. But then I would strip it just like that Hyundai. Oh, if you guys have seen that video with me doing the Hyundai, the whole head gasket.
He stripped the bolts because he did it with an impact gun, And then he noticed that you only had to have 7 pounds of. Yeah, 7 pounds.
7 foot-pounds.
Yeah, but instead he put like 20 pounds on it.
I thought it was 140 pounds per, 140 foot-pounds versus 140 inch pounds. It happens, guys. It's just a Hyundai. It's okay. If you guys forgive me, I forgive you. But that car runs, and I need to make another video. Like I said, I'm busy working here and there, but oh man, that car runs like a champ. Well, I was just showing you guys this side of the whole ordeal. Damn, that looks sexy. All right, let me pause this video. All right, guys. So I'm just finishing up here, tightening up. Now I'm just tightening it from all the way from the back and just coming along all the way to the front. It is plastic on aluminum head, so I feel like hand tight is more than sufficient. And I just go over this sequence just so, here over, and I'll do it again. But hand tight, it's more than enough. Other than that, that's pretty much how you install a manifold on an LY6. If you don't have a manifold on an LY6, a lot of people would like to do the LS3 manifolds. The LS3 manifolds will bolt right up to these LY6 heads because of the rectangle square port heads. Maybe in the future down the road, I might invest into that LS3 manifold. I personally don't want one just because of the fact that this manifold will produce much low end torque versus that LS3 manifold. I may be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. But go ahead, comment, let me know what you guys think. You guys can post dyno results, across the board. I am cammed up in this one, so as for now, the manifold's in, throttle body's on. The next thing that's gonna be worked on here, I wanna get my fuel system going, and then all the pulleys and brackets in the front. I might do the harness, which is the Lingham filter. I'm still indecisive right now to see what I can attack first. Maybe I should go ahead and attack this harness ordeal. That way you guys can actually have a clear view of where everything goes. Sorry, I got this box here. But, that way you guys can have an idea of where the cam is at, the cam sensor's at, and then the crank position sensor, and then the cam sensor signal from the harness in the back. I know that you guys can't see none of that right now that the manifold's in there. But yeah, I'll make another video, guys. Please feel free to like and subscribe. And thank you again for watching this project with me and continue to support me, guys. I appreciate it. Like all those thumbs ups, and I definitely love your subscriptions. Thank you, guys. Have a good night. Peace.
Bye.